Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the paragraph or the whole document. This makes changes predictable. Once selected, turn on Show/Hide so you can see paragraph marks and manual empty paragraphs. Next, look to the home ribbon and the paragraph group. Those controls change spacing immediately. You'll set spacing before and after to 0 and line spacing to single to remove visible gaps. Do this now so you can confirm the layout updates as you proceed, making it easier to catch anomalies. You'll open the paragraph dialog for precision. Click the small launcher in the group. In that dialog, set before and after to 0 pt and change line spacing to single. This eliminates extra vertical space created by styles. Make sure to tick Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style if you want consistent spacing in runs of text. Once done, apply and watch the document. Styles can override settings, so verify the applied style's spacing too, and adjust the style if needed. Finish by normalizing the document. Use Find and Replace to collapse double paragraph marks. Find PP and replace with P. This removes blank lines created by extra returns. Then update the paragraph style to lock in the new spacing, or apply clear formatting if inconsistent overrides persist. If spacing still appears, inspect for section breaks, page breaks, or table cells that force spacing. Removing those often resolves stubborn gaps. If problems continue, rerun Show/Hide to identify hidden formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.